Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. And if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today I am doing a Happy Meal video, and one thing is something that I purchased, and one thing is something that I won. And I am so excited to share it with you guys today. So I'm not going to make this a long video because I am trying to do a video every day. I may or may not make it every single day, but I'm really going to do my best to try to bring something to you guys so that you can kind of see what I've been up to. Before we get started, I want to tell you what I am wearing. So this is a top that I have made, and it was designed by Dana over at Creatively Created Crochet. It is her Prosperity Crop tee, and it is a wonderful top that I made, and I showed you guys a video previously and talked about it, and it's a wonderful, wonderful pattern. So I enjoy making it, and I really do enjoy wearing it. It's very comfortable, and I've gotten quite a few compliments on it, and it gives me an opportunity to do a shout out every time I wear something that has been designed by one of my wonderful yarny friends or that I have just made myself. And speaking of which, I actually the other day wore my beautiful um, Rachel top. And one of the parents of the patients that I saw said, "Wow, did you make that?" And I said, "Yes." And so I was able to kind of direct her to a channel. So, wonderful way to do shout outs, just wearing things that you make and telling people about it when they give you a compliment. Okay, so that's just a tip for you guys. All right, so yes, this is a beautiful top by Dana. I love it, and I've gotten quite a few compliments. And if you would like to make one for yourself, you have to check out her Ravelry page or her Etsy page, and you should be able to purchase one of her beautiful patterns. They're awesome, easy to understand, and they're actually quick makes. Okay. All right. So, next, let's take a look and see what I won. Let's do the one that I won first. Okay. So, this is what I went and picked up today, and it was delivered from Amazon. So I'm really, really excited. Okay, so I'm gonna start to open it, and then I'm gonna tell you where I got it from and everything. Okay, so hold on for a minute. Okay, so I am back. So this was a giveaway that I won, and it was from Teresa over at Craving Crochet. Teresa has a wonderful channel, and she is just an excellent crocheter, and she has a wonderful flair for style and everything like that. If you have not met her yet, you need to go over and check out her channel and subscribe and set your notifications to all so that when she puts a video up, you will not miss it. Just awesome. Now, Teresa challenged herself. She purchased a beautiful book, and she challenged herself to try to make as many of the items in the book as she could. And she did a wonderful, wonderful job. So I would love it if you guys would go over and check out her playlist for this particular series. Now, when she was finished with the series, she did a giveaway of the book that she was using, and my name was chosen, and I am so happy. So let's take a look at the book. Okay, so here's the book right here, and it is called Crochet Cute Critters. All right, and they are all just so adorable. All right, so I'm going to show you a few, and you think about it yourself and see if you think you would like them. Okay, so this is Nina the Nightingale. Isn't that adorable? And This is Uniqua, the unicorn, and she's adorable too. And Xena, the zebra. Oh my gosh, isn't she just adorable? All right, so yes, and there are more adorable critters to crochet in here, just adorable. There are actually 26 different patterns, okay, 26 different ones. And so I think I'm going to have some fun just making up some of these, okay? So, um, yes, I'm going to pick out a few and try my hand at it, and we'll just see how it goes, all right? Thank you so much, Teresa, for the opportunity. And I am so happy that I won and so happy that I get a chance to do this shout out for your channel. And guys, please go and check her out. You will not be disappointed. That's Teresa over at Craving Crochet. Okay. All right. So the next thing is I made another purchase from our dear Yarny friend, Ellie Leva, over at Ellie Leva's crafts and more. So let's take a look and see what I got from Ellie. Okay, so here's my package, and I'm so excited to show this one to you because this one has to do with the springtime, the season. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, guys, I am ready. She sent an adorable card and she put a beautiful flower on the back. Isn't that awesome? A flower sticker. All right, so I'm going to open it. It says, "Thank you so much." Awesome. So she just tells me thank you for placing the order and that she hopes that I will enjoy them. And I think I will. And you know what? Even more so than me enjoying them, I enjoy being able to show you some beautiful work from fellow crafters. Okay. So let's take a look at this. All right. So what I purchased was her springtime pack, and these are mystery packs. So she numbered them for me, and we can open them up a little bit at a time. Okay. All right. So this one, I don't think is as many as what I had before. So it'll be fun to just be able to open them up and share them with you guys. All right. So let's take a look at the very first one, and then we'll just go from there. Okay. Okay, so I am back. So I have 15 different beautiful stitch markers made by Ellie. So I have the first one ready to open up and show you today. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's do this. All right, so I have it open and here we have it. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful flower and I just love it. Now this one is on a lobster clasp type of closure. And yes, just simply beautiful. Thank you so much, Ellie. So I am excited and I am really looking forward to showing you all the remainder of the ones for spring. Now, the beauty of this is there are 15 of these beautiful stitch markers. And so that'll take us through the end of the month. Okay. Isn't that awesome? So, yes. So stay excited. I'll be able to show them to you and we'll have a lot of fun. And then I will group them together. And at the end, we will do a nice giveaway so that I can share some of these stitch markers with you guys. Okay. All right. So that's all I have for this portion. Let's go ahead and take a look at our puzzle. So here is the puzzle solution for the last video that included a puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And this is our puzzle for today. Once again, thank you guys so much. I really do enjoy doing the puzzles. I'm happy that you guys do too. And this is just a wonderful, wonderful thing. So that's all I have for today. I want each and every one of you to be mindful, to do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you again on tomorrow. Bye bye now.